Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Purple on 3 here with
Hey
Tommy G. And he was so kind to get my Spyder out for me this morning because I said I'm gonna ride it to work.
The morning commute to work.
And while he was cleaning the windshield off, he's like, hey, come out here. It's already dried up, but there was a thunderstorm. Yeah, thunderhead, and I'm like, it's not even supposed to rain today. I said, I'm going, but then I thought, well, I should probably use my rock and see what it tells me to do, right? So, you want to help me out with this, honey? I hate to throw it, it's so pretty. Maybe in the grass, huh?
Yeah, okay.
Ooh, that's a dark cloud up there. What's it say? Oh, yeah.
Landed.
On Ride Spyder, so that's what I'm gonna do. Who cares about that big ugly cloud up there?
Yeah.
It's nothing. I can outrun it. I can outride it.
Yeah,
All right, catch you later. So far, so good on the rain. Why wouldn't you want to ride on your motorcycle on a Monday morning to work? I mean, if you have to go to work, roadkill. If you have to go to work, you can at least enjoy the ride to and from. And I fully intend to take the long way home after work. I didn't have my video on, and I just saw something totally random. I don't know, has anyone ever else seen a random motorcycle seat at an intersection laying in the road? That's a first for me. I took a picture of it. I don't know why I didn't think to record it, but anyways, I'll throw that in here. What is the most random thing you have found alongside the road or in the middle of an intersection? I'd be curious to know. I'm sure everyone has some pretty interesting stories that way. Oh, this reminds me of the twisties of North Carolina and Tennessee and Georgia. I miss them.
8 hours later.
I wanted to take you on a little adventure. I love that courthouse. It's beautiful. I guess I like a lot of courthouses. So today's ride is... Oh, wait a second. Hey. Anyways, there's our old jail. It's a cool building. Thought that guy was going to pull out in front of me. Head on swivel. Today's ride, I'm taking you to a place called Helen Furnace. It's not too far away. It's got some interesting history. It's an old iron furnace in Clarion County, Pennsylvania. We were referred to as an iron, or maybe the Iron County, back in the 1850s, 40s, 50s, I guess, because we produced a lot of iron. And this furnace took the raw iron and made it usable for trains, roads, buildings, whatever. So this is the Clarion River, and this bridge is called Toby. It's a great hangout for young folks. They love to jump off the bridge. When Tommy G and I are riding, we're always reading those, signs that are along the way, and we can never get all the lines read. We do our best. On occasion, we can finish one whole sign between the two of us. I believe there's a sign like that up here. Here we are. See if we can find it. Helen Furnace. Just west of this point can be seen the well-preserved interior of cold blast furnace built in 1845. It was one of numerous iron furnaces operated in Clarion County from about 1829 to 1867. The county then was often referred to as the Iron Country, just as I thought. And there it is. Another interesting thing I read was that this is Helen Furnace, but it originated as Highland Furnace. And because the pronunciation with the Scottish accent, it got corrupted from Highland, down to Helen Furnace. Get up there. I wonder if there's any snakes here. That's my big fear. Let's walk around here. You know, where there are rocks, there are snakes, as far as I'm concerned. See if I can get a picture to show you. All right? Well, I put my helmet on and decided that I do need to go inside here and show you with my helmet on instead of just pictures. Just have to remember to duck when I come out. So here is the inside. Pretty cool. Yeah, there we are up there. It's not that tall. Someone else asked me if I screamed when I came in here to hear the echo. Well, I guess I could try that. Ah! Ah! There you go. There's the echo. Crazy. There you go. Selfie. Well, I'm getting dizzy looking around here. And I want to hear what my saying at the end of each video sounds like in here. Remember to begin each day with gratitude.
Uh-oh.
Oh, hi.
Just here to get out of the rain.
Oh,
Walking the road.
okay. I guess you could maybe have a little picnic here if you wanted. Kind of nice. Yeah. Look, I did not notice this on the way in. Now, do you know why that iron furnace is here? Look at that. Oh, that water looks like it's full of iron too. Wow, it is so pretty in here. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate you taking the time to subscribe. As Easy Rider Greg says, it doesn't cost anything. I hope you have had a great day or having a good day. And as always, remember to begin each day with gratitude. Bye for now.
Recording.
All right, guys. Well, ouch. Okay, gotta do that again. All right, guys. Well, ouch. Okay, gotta do that again.